I want to thank you for investing in this course and making a commitment to go through the lectures. This lecture is going to serve as an introduction and let you know what you can expect from this course. So the important thing about this course is that it is very fast paced. There is absolutely no fluff, and this course is designed in such a way that you can start implementing these tactics right away. Because I don't want you to go through a massively long course and then not implement anything, because only implemented knowledge is really power. So that is why this is a fast-paced course. So what exactly do you get in the course? Well, in the first section, I focus on applying habit formation within your life. So how can you add certain habits into your life? How can you get rid of certain habits? That's what the first section focuses on. The second section is about raising your standard of excellence. So how do you go from where you are right now to an even higher level in which you are achieving more of your dreams, in which you are getting the right habits within your life, and all of your success is being driven by a series of habits that help you excel in life. And then the final section is what to avoid. So these are some basic things that you want to avoid when you are developing your habits and strengthening them, because there are certain misconceptions. Now, I'm not going to spoil them here, but there are certain misconceptions that people live by that, as a result, negatively impact the way they view their habit formation, the way they view their work, and the way they view their lives in general. So these are some important things that you want to avoid. That's the third section. And then finally is the conclusion to the course, in which I will briefly summarize how you can still benefit from this course, as well as some of the other things that I will occasionally be doing within the course, even after you have watched all of the lectures. And at any point, if you have questions about formulating new habits, or how you can get rid of bad habits, or anything about habits, then you can post your question in the discussion section, and then I will quickly get back to you. Because my mission as an instructor is to be your mentor, because I want to help you succeed in formulating all of these new habits. That is what the discussion section of this course is here for. As an instructor, one thing that I really appreciate getting is positive feedback, because it lets me see where I am going with my course creation. And I want to see what you like about the course, so I know what I need to focus on more. And I also want to hear different suggestions about making the courses better, because getting all of this feedback allows me to become a better instructor on Udemy and provide my students with more valuable courses. So at this point, I've gone through the introduction. All I have left for you is just have fun, enjoy the course, implement along the way, and I look forward to seeing you in the other lectures. And what I want you to do is to dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.